Hi, I'm Rahul. I'm working as Director of AI R&D here at Infilect. Today I'll be talking about the problem that we are solving at Infilect, the tech behind it, and what's in store for us in the coming year. So as we know, the major problem that we are trying to address is automating the in-store audit that happens inside retail stores. And what we mean by that is you have these FMCG companies who manufacture consumer goods. These are placed in the supermarket shelves, and later on, these companies employ a third party workforce who manually visit these stores and they perform an audit of these retail shelves. And what we mean by an audit is tracking certain key metrics such as share of shelf and on-shelf availability. What we do is automate this whole in-store audit that happens, and and when we say automating, it is through computer vision and deep learning. So there are certain core vision problems that we encounter, starting from the basic object detection, object segmentation. There is fine-grained instance recognition, 2D image correspondence, OCR, and few other core vision problems. Let's look at the impact that our product creates and then move on to the innovation part. So firstly, when it comes to manual audit, as we know, the major problem being the time it takes to perform this audit and the accuracy of the data that is being provided by these merchandisers and the scale. And when I say scale, the number of stores that they can actually visit. And all of these are something that can be very well tackled using AI, and pretty much each and every level that I described now is taken care of, be it the accuracy part, be it the time it takes, or the scale or the number of stores that they can actually visit, given that the time they spend in a store has now reduced. What makes our problem more difficult is the diversity of the products that usually occur in retail stores. And when it comes to deep learning, that's the major bottleneck. And as everyone knows, the whole data tagging, which is going to be the bottleneck. And we, as an AI-based startup, we have innovated a lot around this whole data tagging, where we have our own inbuilt pseudo labeling framework that can actually automate or semi-automate this entire process, which will lead to very shortened setup time of AI pipelines. And to extend it beyond whatever we've already done, we are looking at having a platform that not just an AI engineer, but even FMCG or CPG companies can use it and generate AI pipelines, and using which they can generate respective metrics such as share of shelf and on-shelf availability.